Hello, you're welcome at Apex Biology. Remember, continue to click that subscription button at Apex Biology so that we can learn. We have a question today, and the question is very direct. It says, draw and label Hydra. Let's try it and see how we can get it done. Hydra comes like this, okay? Very simple, okay? And that is it. Come like this. Very easy drawing. Go like that. Very easy. We get that. Then we get the third layer out like that. Okay. Get our Hydra like that. Okay. And that is the end of the diagram. It is when you label, you have something serious. These, of course, are called the tentacles. That's tentacle. This is the mouth. That's the mouth, right? The area here where you have the lip, like a lip, is called the hypostome. Hypostome, all right? Hypostome. This is the digestive cavity. Digestive cavity. Do not forget, examiners can ask you to call it enteron, right? It's acceptable. And then this can be the ovary, right? And down here we'll have the testis, meaning that it's a male, it has a male and female organ. And this is the basal foot of the Hydra, all right? And then we have the layers that you have to be very careful with. Now, we have three layers here. This outermost layer is called ectoderm, right? Then the middle layer is called mesogloi. Mesogloi, right? And then the innermost layer is called endoderm. Remember that the ectoderm and the endoderm are the layers. This mesogloi is filled with fluid. The title is Diagram of Hydra. Subscribe again at Apex Biology so that I can learn the easiest way to learn how to draw biology. And do not forget that these tentacles are easily used for feeding and catching prey. Catching prey, right? Have a great day. Bye.